With just three ingredients, you can come up with these amazing cookies. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these cookies. If you're interested, keep watching. First ingredients is almond nut flour. I'm using 2 cups. Next, I'm going to be adding peanut butter on it. I added 2 full tablespoons of peanut butter. And then I'm going to be adding golden syrup. This is very good for baking. If you are the type that love to bake and you don't want to be using sugar, this golden syrup is best option for you. Next, I'm going to mash it up together, mix it nicely. This is very simple and easy to prepare. You don't need a lot of ingredients to enjoy this recipe. If you are going to be trying this recipe, guys, let me know in the comment section. So as you can see, I'm mixing it together until all the ingredients come together nicely. So once I'm done mixing this together, next I'm going to be cutting it into a smaller sizes, and then I'm going to mold it into a ball. So for this, I don't have measurement. I'm using my eye to measure, okay? For those of you that will asking me what is the measurement, just use your eye to measure, small ball. So I just fold it round like this, and then I'm going to place it in my baking tray. Once I'm done doing this, next I'm going to be using my fork to decorate it. This one is my own design. You can do your own design. You can come up with your own pattern the way you want it, but this one is my own design. It's easy and simple to do. So I'm going to use the fork to put it a little bit of design like you're seeing now. Once I'm done, I'll pop it into the oven. At this time, my oven is already set. So when I put it in the oven, I'm going to reduce the heat of the oven because we don't want it to get burnt. We want it to look golden brown. So once I'm done with the design, next is to put it in the oven. At this point, I already turned on my oven. Once the oven is heated, I reduce the heat and I baked it for 20 minutes. This is how beautiful it looks. It really came out nice, and guess what? It tastes amazing. This is one of the best cookies I love to do, guys. If you are a lover of tea, this cookies is for you. If you're going to be trying this recipe at home, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I hope you love this recipe of mine. See you all on my next video. Bye.